Luxury property in prime location built by upright builders. If you're looking for an exceptional home that has 6 bedrooms, 6 full beds, and 2 half baths, you are going to fall in love with this amazing home. So let me tell you just a little bit about what I see and I think you'll love as well. So besides the fact that this home has a basement, I really love the open floor plan, the kitchen, the scullery. In my opinion, it is a beautiful space for entertaining. Now, if you ask my husband, he's going to say, I love the 3-car garage and I love the screened-in porch with the fireplace. Now, I can say that a lot of people look for land in Apex, land in Cary, in Raleigh. It is not so easy to find. So when you have this type of property and you also have plenty of yard and you're close to shopping, you're close to amazing schools, it is quite a find. So what's special about this home, and you're going to see as I walk inside, it's that it is really a multi-generational property. You have in-law suite on the first floor, the second floor, you have your primary suite, which is beautiful. The bathroom is really a spa-like bathroom. You have a pretty massive walk-in closet, and then you have all the rooms that have their own bathrooms. So you can be up there, your in-laws, your office, your friends can be right on the first floor and it's perfectly fine. They have their own bathroom as well. Or everybody can just be downstairs and it is plenty of space to entertain, plenty of space to host pretty much throughout the whole year. So you have the 3-car garage, the screen-in porch, the scullery, the beautiful open floor plan, all the nice features as you're going to see, and the schools are amazing. You have White Oak Elementary, which is a 10 out of 10. You have Mills Park Middle School, which is a 9 out of 10. Everybody loves Mills Park. And also you have Green Level High School. Again, highly rated high school, literally less than a quarter mile away. So strong school, amazing property, a lot of light, priced in my opinion unbelievably well, because if you go to many other states in the United States, yes, that's exactly what I want to say, this home will probably be, I don't know, $7-8 million. So yes, it is definitely worth coming to North Carolina and having the space, the greenways, and everything that is so beautiful here. And that's the reason why people are not moving away. So without further ado, let me take you inside the home, enjoy the property, and I'll see you after the tour. All right, so we're entering, as you can see here on the left, we have formal office. What I really like about this home is the fact that they've opened it. You see, it could be that some people like it, some don't, as in, you know, the kids are going to see you work in there. So it depends on preferences, but I personally like it. I love that it's bright and, you know, truthfully, nowadays after COVID, nobody really cares anymore if you work from home and if your kids are at home. So I love it. This is very typical, if I can use this word. It's a very traditional, typical kitchen for new construction in this price point. So I'm not surprised. It's not something that I can say, wow, I haven't seen anything like this before, because I have. What I do like is I like the colors. Again, very bright, and the amount of windows is something that seems to be a pattern for this home. And the yard is absolutely gorgeous. Now you will have that, I'm guessing that's a retaining pond. It seems like there's nothing in there right now, so I'm not sure exactly what's happening. I'd have to check it out. And as you can see, there's a house there that has a swimming pool, or will have a swimming pool. It's about to be ready, and most of them have the screen-in porch with or without a fireplace. And the fireplace is inside as well. High ceilings, a lot of recessed lights. And so that's the entrance there. There's my friend that came to see the home with me and with our dog. And so of course we have the basement where I'll take you in a little bit. So this is your pantry here, or, you know, it could literally be an additional kitchen, scullery, and more space here. So obviously extremely well built, very functional. These are not white, by the way, these are gray. And as you can see here, this is black and this is golden, so and white. So they've changed that in there. It's just different. And then here you come inside the house through the garage, and you have a powder room, closet, and an in-law suite. More closet, full bathroom with full shower. Super, super, super nice. And you can come in there, in here through the side. Okay, so this is the third garage. So I'm kind of just taking you through the house as I go through it, right? It's just the way it is. This is the powder room that you have as you come inside from the garage. As you know, most of my videos are not scripted, super raw. All right, so now we're gonna go upstairs, and then I'll take you in the basement. So you're coming upstairs, and of course you have multiple rooms. So I'm just gonna start, I guess I'm just gonna go down here and start with the washer and dryer area. So this is a huge room, really massive, and it does connect to your master. Okay, so as you can see, this is the closet, and you can go straight to the washer dryer area and throw your stuff there. This is the master bathroom here. Absolutely love what they did here. Love the shower. It's big, but it's not big enough. Freestanding tub if you want a tub. Not everybody wants a tub. And the master is just a really cool regular size master. It's not a lot of unused space. So I was there. Okay, these are the stairs. You have a closet here, and then you have 2 additional rooms. So one room with a bathroom, with a full bathroom, shower. So if you have 2 kids, you're up here. You have these 2 rooms. Each of them have a bathroom, their own bathroom, and their own shower. So let me make sure. So there's these 2 rooms, right? And then that's where I came upstairs, and that's the master. Okay, yes, so there's another room here, a 3rd bedroom. So you have 3 bedrooms and the master up here. Each of the bedrooms have their own shower. This is the only one with a tub, and their own walk-in closet. And then you have the basement. So let's go down. All right, so I came in the basement. Beautiful, beautiful basement. There's another room there. Let me see. Yeah, so you have a room if you want to have a movie room here. They really thought about every single thing. And a full bathroom. No, a full bathroom? No, this is just a partial bathroom up here. But yeah, so there's another room here with, this is the full bathroom with a shower. Really nice. And the yard from down here, definitely worth every cent, especially for this location. It is absolutely mind-blowingly beautiful. I've been here before when this whole area was in construction, and it's just so beautiful what they did in all of the homes. It's very small neighborhood, so they've done a really good job. Yeah, so with that in mind, thanks so much for being here. It's very sunny and very hot. I appreciate you being here with me on this channel, and if you have any questions about relocating to Cary, North Carolina, I would love to help you out. Take care, and let me know if there's anything that I can do to show you around and to help you with relocation. All right, I hope you enjoyed the tour. I know for a fact that when you come here, if you're not here already, you are going to love the location of the home. Ellsworth is really on the border of Cary and Apex. So you have easy access to West Cary amenities, and also a very quick commute to Raleigh, to RTP, to the airport through Highway 540. Now you're also close to Beaver Creek, so you can access Highway 64, Highway 55. Everything is within minutes. So if you're worried about commute, I'm going to pinpoint on the map where the home itself is located. And that's about it. Thank you so much for being here, for supporting our channel. If you and your family are considering coming to the Raleigh, Cary, Apex area, we would be more than happy to help you relocate. Take care.